Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. We're over here at Anza Borrego. We're in San Diego. It's a beautiful location, so if you guys haven't been here to off-road or camp, make sure you guys check it out. I also have a full trip review here, but let's go ahead and get back to what we're here to do, which is to review this chair. It's a nice lightweight aluminum and sturdy chair. As you can see, it comes with a nice handle. Even though it's super lightweight, it has a nice sturdy handle, so I can actually probably carry 2 or 3 of these if needed. For me, if you guys have watched my videos, I mostly don't even bring a chair. I always bring a cot. Me and my wife love laying on the cot. We use it as a chair around the campsite as well. But it's always nice to have a chair to have some back support. I was actually looking for one, so I'm glad our friends over at Overlanded reached out. Let's take a look at this awesome chair. Now, I'm gonna start off by saying that I love how wide this chair is. A lot of narrow chairs are very uncomfortable to sit on. So it's a nice wide base. It's very sturdy. It can hold up to 300 pounds, so it can hold a big person with ease. It's not just regular canvas, it has some padding into it, so that makes it nice and comfortable. Again, it's made by Smittybilt. What's really cool about this chair as well is that it has a nice pull-out table. This one has a weight limit of about 15 pounds. It can probably hold a heavier weight limit, but it's perfect for coffee, perfect for eating, even your coffee maker. Love having a table. And what makes this really, really cool is that it also has a pull-out cooler that you can bring out. If you're really lazy and you just want to sit down after setting up all your overlanding stuff, it's nice to have a table or a cooler bag. You can grab your drinks here. Again, what's also cool about this is that you can bring it, let me show you guys how to put some drinks in there. Anything insulated will last a lot longer as far as being cold. And what I really like about this, getting back to the topic, is that if you guys are ever heading out for a picnic or heading out on a trail, tailgating, whatever it might be, you can just unzip the cooler bag and take it on to go with you. So that's really cool, really nice, very versatile. I love versatile things, things that knock multi-function out of the park. Again, we got this over at Overlanded, so make sure you guys check them out. I'll have a promo code below. Again, I had a Yeti chair in the past. It was $200. This chair with the table, with the cooler, was about $60. Very cool. Make sure you guys check them out. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys on the next video.